Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to save or download Rednote video to your phone. So if you want to download a copy of Rednote video to your phone, either on Android or on iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to give this a thumb up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel, as this really helps us to grow. Now, to download or save Rednote video to your phone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Rednote application. Once you open the Rednote application, you can just go to maybe follow, explore, then under explore, then you have different options available here. Now go ahead and select any of the video you want to save or download to your phone. So just come to trending, see what is trending that you can download or save to your phone. So in this case, I just prefer to come to the home page. So I'll take a random video. Let's say this video. Now, to save this video or download this video on your phone from Rednote, all you just need to do is click on this share button. Now, once you click on the share button, you see share to, then locate and click on save to album. Then you're good to go. Then that's going to save or download the Rednote video to your photo album. And now if you go ahead, open the Photos app, go to video, then you should be able to see the Rednote video you downloaded to your phone gallery. So that is basically how to save or download Rednote video. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.